and today we're doing another unboxing of a vanilla surprise, this time in the park. It's nice and peaceful. And there's a bunch of planes going by. And we have a L Surprise Series 1. I've been trying to look for this and it was very hard to find, and I found it at Walgreens. So let's start opening it. So this is a snowflake and a cat. Cool cat? Cool cat? Oh, it's Cool Cat. Okay, here's our stickers. So, okay, so sorry about that. There's a bunch of planes going by, but let's start with oh, here's probably a bottle. Yep, it is a bottle. So now we got all of our surprises, and let's pop it open. Look at a little comfy seat for them to sit. Here is the toilet. Look at all of them. Aren't they all so cute? Oh look, I have room to spare. Okay, so here's the collector's guide. Oh, I also have friends. And I have cheer captain as a teen-year-old surprise. Okay, anyways, what I was saying was that here's all the ones that you could collect. I really want little MC Swag to complete the MC Swag family. So, let's show you this. I don't know who it is. Let's open it. But here's another. Look at these cute ears. Oh. And here's a handle. Okay. And let's put this one. It is. Ow! She just dropped her head. Look at her. She's a little kitty cat. Let's see. So she is from the Theater Club, and her name is Baby Cat. Oh, it's so cute. And I don't know what she is going to do. So, well, let's dress her. So here she is. She's so cute. And then let's see. So we should see that. She's a little baby cat, and I love her little buns. They're so cute. And there's some factory defects. It's like here on her hair. I don't know if you can see it. And right here, it's a little blue dot. But it's okay. You can always wipe it off with nail polish remover. Here. So we'll be right back. We're gonna check her water supplies. Okay. Okay. So I put baby cat water, and let's see. Oh, she spits. She can water the plants. Woo, 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 spit, spit. She's so cute. Now, I'll see you guys later. I hope to see you again soon. Now, bye. Bye.